If you want something you never had, you have to do something which you have never done. As simple as that. They say a person needs just three things to be happy: someone to love, something to do, and something to hope for. I asked a wise man, "Tell me, sir, in which field could I make a great career?" He smiled and said, "Be a good human being. There is a lot of opportunity in this area and very less competition." Most people simply buy investments without investing time in learning about investing. The worst addiction in the world. No, not alcohol. Not gambling. No, not even drugs. It is comfort. Some people die at the age of 25 and aren't buried till the age of 75. Any job should fulfill us in two out of these three ways: financially, in growth and learning, and in enjoyment. So, whatever you are doing, if you are not getting two out of these three things, it's time to start planning a move. When you truly care for someone, their mistakes never change your feelings, because it's the mind that's angry, but the heart still cares. Take it easy is a concept of common people. Make it easy is a concept of leaders. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday, not with who someone else is today. Sorry to say this, but being a good person doesn't get you loved. It gets you used. I always knew looking back on tears would make me laugh. But I never knew looking back on laughs would make me cry. 6 best doctors: sun, exercise, rest, diet, self-respect, and friends. Stick to them at all stages in your life and enjoy a happy and healthy life. The key to progress is having the courage to start before you're ready. Perfectionism slows progress. Procrastination kills it. A true relationship has fight, trust, faith, tears, pain, arguments, secrets, patience, jealousy, and above all, love. When you feel angry, go exercise. Envy, focus deeper. Anxiety, be mindful. Uninspired, take a shower. Irritation, don't react. Broke, start a business.